Hello, how are you guys? I hope you are all well. Sometimes we are facing problem in our hosted sites that shows the captcha. It's the problem. This is for the Hostinger CDN issue. So first we log in. Okay, we are logging to our hosting panel. Now go to the your sites websites and it's loading. Actually, it helps to get better user interaction. Okay, all websites like this one, I am checking. This one not working. My another temporary sites I am checking. Okay, this is the online domain. Okay, this one you go to the dashboard. This one H panel dashboard and and go to the performance, then CDN. Make sure it is inactive. When here I am already making it inactive, but you can deactivate the CDN. When you deactivate the CDN, it took sometimes, then it will stop to show you captcha on your sites that hosted on Hostinger. Like you can check this one. Currently I don't have, but your hostingers are the bot captcha actually. So there is so many AI tools are crawling your website, so hostingers sometimes interrupts them, and it appears that it is not very good for the user, what can I say, user experience. Sorry for my broken English, but I hope I can solve you the hostinger issue of the hostinger CDN. So I put a link of my refer code. If you support my channel, you can join through the link. Thank you. Hopefully we will go to our next step, or we will grow along with us, and so many people are getting the informations from the site.